I know you crazy, Shensia.
I know.
Okay.
I know you need to go.
I'll do everything for you. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? We are fine. Baby, that's the girl. That's the girl I was telling you about.
Eh? Your boss daughter?
Yes, so that's her. Spoiled brat. All she does is squander her father's money on young boys.
Eh? So she spend money on young boys?
Yes, so that's her job.
Hey!
Yes, so.
Eh? Hey!
Baby, take this is 2K. Please help me manage it to get something to eat, okay? I know things are really
In my bed, yeah. All I need is you in my bed, yeah. In my bed.
One thing you want to kill me.
Baby! Hey! What's going on here? I thought you loved me.
Love who? Come on, me trouble here. Look at this one. If they're talking about love, you said you were talking. Who loved you? I never loved you. Jesus! Were you not the one that was forcing this relationship in the first place? Who even started this boyfriend and girlfriend thing? Was it not you? Have I ever opened my mouth to tell you that I love you? Have I ever opened my mouth to tell you that you are the apple of my eyes? No. So hold it there. And for your information, I have found someone that I truly love. You see, should I hear?
I already shut down your trash. The fact that we had sex doesn't make us lovers. And after all, you're not the only person. Well, I dropped 50K for you on top of that bed. And maybe I would have thought of coming back, but with your boring sex, I would never be caught dead with you. Now listen to me. Don't you ever call me again. I'm done with him. You can have it.
Hey, Jesus
Hey.
Christ of Nazareth.
Hey! Baby, I hope you do not take any of my words serious. I was just playing.
Save it. Thank God you showed your real self. I rushed here to tell you that my uncle gave me 15 million naira.
15 million?
As his support to giving me a good life. And I came here for us to plan something together to have a better life. But you showed your real self. Well, you're just a man. And you can never spell embarrassment without men. Rubbish.
Baby!
Sorry, oh. May God not allow them.
No, na me fuck up.